people out here who make different styles of music, you know. And this music is something that is felt from each individual person who makes it. It's a representation of what they feel at that particular moment. I think we need to open our minds some more, because the only way that we can be successful in our music is by coming together as a community. I feel it. So should you feel it. Don't be so stuck on the past. I hear so many people say we don't do it the way we used to do it, but why not focus on making us do it the way we need to do it now? Leave the past in the past and look towards the future. You dig it? I feel it.
Danish designer Michael. Hello, Michael.
Hello, Chris.
Yes, nice to meet you today.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, in front of us is one piece of your work, right?
That's right. This is called my dream bed, and this is a bed for children.
Children.
And this is a bed with.
It is your dream bed.
It is my dream bed, yes. But I also hope it's the dream bed from the children, so they want the bed.
How do you know that? What do they want?
I know my daughter, she loves this one.
Really?
Yeah.
You test with your daughter.
I've talked with her, yeah, and I've actually had this design out and tested with other children, and they like it very much. They like to play in this bed. They see this bed as a race car, yeah, and a playground too, yeah. So instead of just being a normal, a bit boring bed, this bed is
not just being a cage.
not just being a cage or a prison. Most of the beds, they look like a prison, and I wanted to get away from that look. So I wanted to to make a special look that kids will find interesting.
What makes it so special?
Well, the special is, first of all, the design here on the frame. Normally they're just
The vertical line.
vertical lines. So here I made it like an X, and if you can see it on the details, it's like it is the vertical lines that you have kicked in a way.
Oh.
So you can see it's like
It's sway.
yeah, it sways a bit. So there's action on this bed.
We can call it X chair.
An X bed, yeah, you can do that, yeah.
And also this one is your another work.
This one is also another work. It's called Mensa 6, and with this table, I tried to make it so minimalistic as possible, to cut away everything that was no need of. So this table consists of only 4 different items.
One.
One, and we have the rails here.
Yeah, rail.
That's
2.
We have the legs.
Leg.
That's
4.
3.
3.
And then we have the last material. That's the glue.
Oh.
Yeah.
4. Only 4
Yeah,
material.
and that's a one-component glue, and that's healthy for the environment actually too.
And why do you call it? It's not a rocket science.
I said this is not rocket science, but it's damn thin. And there I refer to the plate. It's only 6 millimeter thin. So it's one of the thinnest tables in the world.
Oh.
And I actually use the natural forces to
What's
keep
the
the table
material?
upright. The material is a compact laminate.
Compact, man.
Yeah.
So you can make it very, very thin.
Very, very thin, yeah. But it's still a living material, and so we actually used 2 years developing this table to make it stiff and ready for production.
So it's a combination between work of art and craftsmanship and design.
Exactly, yes.
As a Danish designer, what do you think it's a DNA of a being Danish design?
The Danish design often is very minimalistic, actually, and
Like this?
like this, yeah. And with a good function. Function is very important also for the design. And then of course it should be beautiful and good to use in everyday life. And then we use a lot of bright colors or a lot of white, because we love
a lot of white.
A lot of white.
Vibrant color.
Yeah. Because
You live in a very, snow, cold.
yeah, but the problem is we in the winter time it's very dark here, so we want things, objects that lightens up.
It's just like your dream color.
Yeah, exactly. So we need things that really have some energy, some power, and to give you some energy, especially in the dark month in the winter time. And also in the summertime, of course, I like to design products that gives this wow effect, that you look at the product and say, wow, this is different, and I want my products to fit in environments, but that you still notice them.
Just a little bit back to the past.
Yeah.
How could you train to be a Danish designer?
Well, I've been studying here at the school, TEKO, for 4 years now, and I had this dream ever since I was a little kid. I wanted to do things better, to make them better and make them more functional and more beautiful. So I followed my dream, and I'm here right now.
Okay, thank you so much.
Welcome.
So many people out here who make different styles of music, you know. And this music is something that is felt from each individual person who makes it. It's a representation of what they feel at that particular moment. I think we need to open our minds some more, because the only way that we can be successful in our music is by coming together as a community. I feel it. So should you feel it. Don't be so stuck on the past. I hear so many people say we don't do it the way we used to do it, but why not focus on making us do it the way we need to do it now? Leave the past in the past and look towards the future. You dig it? I feel it. You dig it? I feel it. The sound of music changes and changes all the time. I feel that there's so many people who have influenced the music over the years. So many icons that we look up to. I'm not saying stop looking up to them, but you need to take your own future into your hands and take what they've given you and expand it into the whole entire world, you know? Taking what was given and setting it out into the world with your own imagination, with your own creativity, and make it your work and make it your idea and spread it out throughout the world. And that's a community. You dig it? I feel it. You dig it? I feel it. You dig it? You dig it? I feel it. You need to open up your heart and your mind a little more. And